Well done, good and faithful servant. Words all believers hope to hear when they face their Messiah. In Hebrew, the phrase well done is Kol H'Kavod. Kol means all, Ha is the definite article the, and Kavod is the word we'll explore today. You see, in Hebrew, a word can mean more than one thing. The modern translation and use of this phrase as well done is very simplistic. The word kavod means honor, respect, and even glory. Kol HaKavod should be literally translated as with all due respect or all the glory. Wait, I thought all the glory should be given to God and that he doesn't share his glory. Not according to the Hebrew or the scriptures. Yeshua continues to say, "You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master." He's saying that he will share his glory in the kingdom to come if we are faithful in the small matters in this life. As I often do while studying Hebrew words, I get led into this path of images, led by the Spirit because only the Spirit can take me to such clear imagery. Peter Jackson painted this imagery perfectly in his third installment of the Lord of the Rings trilogy, an adaptation of Tolkien's great work. During the coronation scene in The Return of the King, the hobbits, the smallest and weakest of all regional beings of Middle-earth, were honored and stood above all others for a split moment. The king
My
himself
friends,
said,
"You bow to no one."
and led by his actions, prompted the entire crowd to kneel before Frodo and his friends. In our limited understanding of this gesture, we may think that it would be absurd for God to kneel before us. However, I submit to you that our Creator has already done that several times and will do it again, even if for a moment, to honor us in a similar fashion in his return and establishment of his kingdom. To us, kneeling means submission or humiliation, but the word in Hebrew has a very different meaning. But that's another word study for another day that will be covered in our next video. Come and learn the Holy Tongue with us at Teshuvah Bible Study. Lehitraot. Shalom.